Trista Ainsworth, and I am a professional organizer with Joyful Minimalism. Welcome to day 12 of our personal growth journey through our lives and our homes. Today is all about creating loving discipline through habits and intentions in our lives and our homes. I welcome you to this day. So we form our foundation for our lives and for how we run our homes with daily habits and practices and disciplines. A lot of times when we think about discipline, we think it's a negative thing, like we're being punished or disciplined for something, but it's really another name for a daily practice that can bring a lot of joy into your life. I have developed many practices over the years, and I have run it like an experiment. Sometimes they stick and sometimes they don't, and sometimes I even have to change with the season. But that's okay. It's really important to just try things out and see how they work for you. What this means for your home is you might develop some daily practices around tidying or beautifying your home, things like that, that really bring you joy and peace and make it so it's easier to get through your day with the things that you need to get done. So these may include tiny habits that you do throughout the day, or it may be a way to start the day. So I will include some examples in the next section. When you have a daily practice in your home, you are inviting in more joy. And by tidying your home, you're telling life and you're telling your home, I love and appreciate you, and in turn, your home will bring you more abundance. This is something I truly believe. So some examples might be putting an offering of fresh flowers or fruit or a little snack on a type of altar in your home, or just creating a nice fruit bowl as a centerpiece. It just shows that you always have something to offer in your home to yourself, to guests, or just to life in general, that you always have something to give. Another habit might be doing laundry daily, or maybe lighting a candle in the morning when you do a meditation. Or I even have one in my bathroom that I light at night to say thank you for all the blessings of that day. So there are many ways to create daily practices around tidying or offering something to our home. You might even clean a counter every time you wash your hands. This is something I have just started to do, and it's really brought a lot of benefits. So my intention for you today is for you to think of a daily practice you'd like to try in your home, maybe something from this list, or maybe something different, and comment below on what you've tried, how it's felt for you. I would absolutely love to know, and you can head on over to my website, expansive.me, and we are going to have a free masterclass on January 11th of 2021 next year. And on the Joy page, you can sign up for that. It's a free masterclass where you'll learn 3 tidying tips to help you in your home. So I hope to see you there, and have a wonderful rest of your week.